Hello orchid enthusiasts, today I share the craziest but most effective way to care for orchids I have ever seen. This method helps orchids grow strongly from roots, stems, leaves to flowers, with only easy-to-find ingredients and a simple process. In particular, this type of fertilizer not only provides all the essential nutrients but is also environmentally friendly. Let's get started. I use green tea to provide nutrients for orchids. Green tea contains abundant amounts of vitamin C, E and natural growth factors, supporting the growth of orchids. The amino acids and minerals in green tea not only help orchids grow strongly, but also enhance resistance and make the leaves greener and brighter. I use 3 teaspoons of green tea. I use 500 milliliters of boiling water to extract the maximum nutrients in the green tea, converting them into a liquid form that is easily absorbed by the orchid. Stir well to extract maximum nutrients from green tea, then let it cool completely and use it to water the plant, ensuring effective absorption and healthy growth. While waiting for the tea to brew, we clean the plants. This is a plant that needs rainy season care with signs of disease on the roots as well as leaves that need to be removed. The dried roots no longer function to provide nutrients to the plant. For orchids that have bloomed, withered flower branches need to be cut off so that the plant can focus its nutrients on nourishing the leaves and roots, preparing for a new, healthier batch of flowers. Old, damaged leaves should be removed immediately after the rainy season to avoid creating a favorable environment for mold and pathogens to grow. Fungal-infected orchid leaves often appear blistered, waterlogged, and turn yellow, clear signs of a disease that requires immediate treatment. The leaf stalks also need to be removed to prevent mold from spreading, protecting the entire healthy orchid plant. Please let me know what orchid species you are growing, so that I can build an in-depth care guide video, specifically tailored to the characteristics and needs of that orchid species. After completing the cleaning, we will enter the intensive care stage to promote healthy and rapid growth of the orchid. After about 1 hour, when the green tea has cooled completely, the nutrients in the tea have been released. Stir the tea well and use a filter to retain the water. The tea water will be used directly to care for orchids, providing nutrients and increasing resistance. The remaining tea grounds are also very useful and can be used as organic fertilizer to help the plants grow greener. To start the cleaning process for the plant, I prepare a small cup of green tea nutrients. You want to find out, use a soft, clean cotton pad to absorb the solution and clean the leaves. Use a soft cotton ball soaked in tea water and wipe evenly on the leaves. Clean the top of the leaves to remove dust, helping the leaves absorb light and photosynthesize effectively. At the same time, clean the underside of the leaves to remove mold, keep the stomata open, and optimize the ability to absorb nutrients from the tea. In addition to the English subtitles, you can use the automatic translation to your language to understand the content more easily. To subtitle in your language, open the video, and click on the gear icon settings in the automatic translation to select your preferred language. Tea water contains many minerals and amino acids that help provide additional nutrients for plants. This not only helps the plant stay healthy but also beautifies the orchid leaves, making them shinier. Tea water helps maintain moisture for leaves, supports the growth process. Using diluted tea helps plants increase resistance and fight against harmful agents. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and chat with each other from all over the world. With green tea, every 2 weeks, I apply the leaf wiping method to stimulate the orchid to grow healthier and more sustainably. Aftercare: place the plant in a place with light, airy sunlight to help it grow quickly. I will use 500 milliliters of clean filtered water to create a natural fertilizer mixture for orchids and strong roots. Next ingredient, I use 3 spoons fresh milk. Fresh milk has many benefits for orchids, including providing calcium, improving soil quality, and helping to prevent fungal diseases. Fresh milk is a rich source of calcium, helping orchids develop healthy roots, sturdy stems, and lush green leaves. With 3 spoons of fresh milk containing many vitamins, proteins, and sugars, providing additional nutrition for orchids, helping plants develop comprehensively and increasing their resistance to pests and diseases. After mixing the fresh milk, we will combine it with green tea to create a natural fertilizer with many nutrients to provide for the plants. Stir well to dissolve these 2 compounds together and proceed to care for the plant. Method 1. Use a spray bottle to mist the entire plant and leaves. Use a mist sprayer to spray evenly onto leaves and other parts of the orchid to help nutrients absorb quickly and spread effectively. Spray evenly on the leaves to clean dirt and provide essential nutrients for the plant. Milk and green tea both have antifungal properties that can help prevent and treat some common fungal diseases on orchids, such as powdery mildew and soft rot. This method is similar to using foliar fertilizers to help orchids absorb nutrients quickly and comprehensively. Green tea spray also provides moisture, keeps leaves fresh, and reduces stress on plants. The second method is to water the nutrients directly through the roots, helping the orchid grow faster and healthier. When watering, it is necessary to distribute evenly to each plant, focusing on the substrate and root system. Natural sugars in fresh milk help enhance the root's ability to absorb nutrients. Beneficial bacteria in milk, especially fermented milk, help decompose organic matter, making the soil more porous, creating favorable conditions for orchid roots to absorb nutrients. Green tea and milk can help orchids bloom bigger, keep their color, and stay fresh longer. With a method of watering with green tea and milk nutrients, we should use it once every 2 weeks to provide nutrients for plants in the garden. On normal days, to maintain humidity, we can spray mist with clean water. With this watering method, it is important to note that you should only water directly on the roots. Avoid watering on the top, which can cause water retention and rot from the top. After watering, we will soak the entire substrate for 20 minutes. During the soaking time, I will carefully wipe off any excess water remaining on the leaf surface and in the leaf axils to prevent mold from entering and growing, protecting the orchid to stay healthy. With green tea and fresh milk nutrients, orchid leaves will always be shiny. Once a week, you can also wipe the leaves in the garden to keep them shiny. With the above two methods, growers should take care of the orchids in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid harsh sunlight that can damage the health and growth of the orchid. Water remains in each leaf crevice, which is the ideal environment for insects and mold to grow and hide, thereby attacking and causing serious damage to orchids. After wiping all the leaves of the plant, I will proceed to lift the plant out of the pot after soaking it in green tea and fresh milk. During this period, the plant should be placed in a place with soft light and ventilation for easy care, while avoiding strong sunlight that can damage the roots and burn the leaves. After 3 weeks of care, the orchid showed a clear change. The leaves were lush green, shiny and full of vitality. The application of natural fertilizer from green tea combined with fresh milk available in the family, along with dedicated care, helped the leaves photosynthesize effectively, promoting strong plant growth. The leaves become thick, sturdy and completely free of mold thanks to the natural protective effect of green tea water. Not only the leaves grow well, the root system grows densely. The root base is strong with a clearly darker green color. Many roots have even started to crawl out of the pot. This is the result of perseverance combined with providing the right and sufficient nutrients for the plant. When an orchid is healthy, it is not only a personal joy but also the foundation for building a vibrant orchid garden. Not just stopping at one tree, you can observe this tree with healthy, glossy green leaves and a strong spreading root system, even reaching out of the pot's mouth. The dense growth of young green and white roots is a clear evidence of the plant's superior health. Thanks to the abundant nutrients from green tea and milk, the plant's ability to absorb nutrients is greatly enhanced. During this period, you can also combine the addition of light fertilizers to support the plant's more comprehensive growth. Natural fertilizers made from green tea and fresh milk are ingredients that are easily found in every family's kitchen. The method of mixing and caring for plants using this method is very simple, suitable even for beginners, helping anyone to nurture healthy orchids by themselves. Thanks to meticulous care and natural fertilizers, the orchid has produced a brilliant flower stalk with beautiful colors. Each flower blooms large, evenly and maintains impressive durability, lasting from 4 to 5 months before fading. Give your love and care to your companions' orchids. Nurture them with all your heart, and you will be rewarded with their wonderful beauty. I hope this video will help you take better care of your orchids at home. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming simple and natural orchid care tips. If you encounter any difficulties in the process of growing orchids, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I am always ready to support so that you can grow healthy orchids, blooming brightly. Thank you for watching. I wish you all luck, happiness, good health and success in your garden care journey. I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.